As home prices and interest rates continue to rise, are you afraid you have lost the opportunity to purchase a new construction home at an affordable price? Well, we have you covered with our Smart Living Collection. The Smart Living Collection by HHHunt Homes is one of our signature collections of home plans. So how do we keep the price down? We are glad you asked, and this video will cover that and more. Our Smart Living Collection creates a simplified process for new home construction. We found that a significant number of first-time homeowners and move-up home buyers don't consider new construction homes because of two main reasons. The first is that they are intimidated by the process of building a new home, and second, they feel new home construction is more expensive than it truly is. Our goal with Smart Living Collection by HHHunt Homes is to dispel the concerns by creating a completely transparent, simple, and easy to navigate process for our prospective buyers. Our specially trained new home advisors can walk you through every step. They will assist you with the design selections, create an exact price for your new home, and provide a timeline for when you can move in, all in one appointment. How does the process differ from our traditional home buying process? The traditional home buying process typically involves multiple meetings with the new home advisor, design gallery professionals, and construction managers. With the Smart Living Collection, we have created a simplified process for the new home construction experience so you can focus on moving into your dream home. The Smart Living Collection by HHHunt Homes is all about maximizing value. The floor plans in this collection were designed to keep the price per square foot as low as possible by creating efficiencies in the layout and offered features. That means every square inch of a Smart Living Collection home is a usable space you and your family can enjoy. Some of the standard features in our Smart Living Collection home plans include multiple bedrooms, garages, expansive living and kitchen areas, and carefully designed primary suites. By keeping the core elements of each home plan the same, we maximize the value and the price of each Smart Living Collection home. Our Smart Living Collection offers an easy design selection process. The typical new home construction process involves going to one of our design galleries. With the Smart Living Collection by HHHunt Homes, we have simplified that process by bringing the design selections to you. All our model homes in the Smart Living Collection communities feature a design studio where you can select features like cabinet finishes, countertops, and flooring. This approach makes for an easy design selection process with immediate pricing transparency. You will never have to worry about how much a selection will cost because your new home advisor will be able to tell you right on the spot. At HHHunt Homes, we offer a competitive pricing on the design selections and finishes. We can do this by leveraging volume discounts for selections and removing additional overhead expenditures. We then pass those savings directly to you, the home buyer. Those increased savings make a huge difference in the cost of completing the home, making it more affordable. Our Smart Living Collection offers a new home warranty. HHHunt Homes takes pride in providing outstanding customer service to our customers, and we stand behind our home construction. That's why we have a 10-year limited warranty on all our homes, including Smart Living Collection. At HHHunt, we believe it's how you live that matters. And since 1992, we have provided home buyers in Virginia and North Carolina with their dream homes. Our Smart Living Collection by HHHunt Homes is focused on home buyers seeking the best of home ownership with a simplified and easy process designed specifically for them.